Okay, welcome back. Now our last task is to populate or fill down our actual frequencies. And to do that we're going to use another new function called frequency. However, it's quite special. Unlike the other functions that we've used, which only returned one number, we want our function to return numbers in each one of these cells. So before we start, we have to tell Excel that we're going to use more than one cell. So to do that, we're going to click on the first cell and then drag down to highlight all the cells we want our numbers to come into. And then we're going to hit the function button and the F2 button at the same time. And you'll see what's happened is the cursor has moved to the top, but the rest of the cells are all highlighted. Now we're going to type in our equals frequency, and there it is there, and it opens the brackets. And now we have to tell it what we're finding the frequency of. So once again, we go over and we highlight our data. But now we want to put a comma in because we also need to highlight the intervals that we want to work with. So I'm going to click and drag again and highlight the intervals that we want to work with. Now the last thing is, instead of hitting enter, we actually have to hold the Control and Shift key down and hit enter at the same time. And then that populates our frequencies, and as you can see here, here are all the frequencies that are populated. Now double check all this data with your data that you've calculated when you do this with your spreadsheet, and hopefully you should see all of your data coming out the same way. Great, well that's frequency tables done. In the next little video we're going to have a look at box plots. See you then.